Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are taking fresh blueberries and making the easiest blueberry cobbler ever. If you like blueberry muffins, honey, you are going to love this blueberry cobbler. It's like comfort food at its best. It's rustic, it's fresh, it's easy. Let's go. Alright, we're going to start with our luscious blueberries. I'm going to dump them into a bowl. I'm like drowning in blueberries, you guys. I have so many because they're like everywhere this time of year. I love it. We're going to add a little bit of sugar to kind of sweeten things up. These blueberries were nice and tart with a little bit of sweetness, so yeah, kind of need a little sugar in there. I'm going to stir these up, but I'm going to press them just a little bit. You know, just to kind of help them to release those juices just a little bit. Now, if you want like a really soupy cobbler, you can not boil, but you can like simmer these berries a little bit so that they have a nice syrup to them, but I don't like mine like that, okay? Now in goes that lemon zest, okay? Lemons and blueberries really has to bring out the flavor. I said bling. It really has to bring out the flavor of those berries. See how syrupy it is? That sugar is doing its thing. Creating a nice little syrup there. That's perfect, just like that. Okay, we're gonna move on to our flour. There's our flour going into a large bowl. Okay, next I'm going to add in some baking powder and some salt. Dump that in. Then we're going to whisk it around just like that. And then next we're going to add a little bit of sugar, that remaining sugar that we had left over. Dump that right into those dry ingredients and whisk it with your little whisk just like this. Perfect. This is a very easy, so easy recipe. Okay, all right, now I'm going to add in a little bit of butter, melted butter from my cobblers. Always. Then I'm going to add some almond milk. Now, I am so loyal to my buttermilk, but one time I was making blueberry muffins and I ran out of milk, so I used almond milk, and I was like, oh, I kind of like this. So whenever I'm doing anything like blueberry, I always go for the almond milk. It's just, I don't know what it is, but you can use regular whole milk if you want to. But yes, that almond milk does something good. I like it. Okay, there's our batter, nice and lumpy the way it should be, kind of like pancake batter. You want it to be a little bit lumpy. Go ahead and place it into your prepared dish. I just buttered me a little baking dish up. Dump it all in there, honey. Don't leave none behind. All right, get it all in there. Okay, now here is the fun part, my favorite part. I like this part. I don't know why. I just like dumping these berries on top. It's just fun. I think you're gonna like it too. But just go ahead and just dump those berries. Do not stir it up. Don't stir it. Just scoop it up and lay it low and spread it wide. That's how you want to have it. Okay, just like that. Nice even little layer here. That looks perfect. Do not stir it up. Okay, don't do it. It will all settle down perfectly when it bakes. All right, you can give it a little shake just to get everything nice and even and flat, just like that. Perfect. Now we're gonna pop this bad boy into our oven, 400 degrees, for about 35 to 40 minutes. I think it took mine like 38 minutes or so before it was ready, and it was perfect. Look at it. Look at that. It really is, you guys, like a blueberry muffin, only better because it has that middle. The middle is my favorite part of this blueberry cobbler. Oh my gosh, the texture is just so beautiful. Let's go ahead and dig into this thing. Get your little spoon. Don't be all cute when you serve it up. Cobblers are rustic. They're messy. They're supposed to be like that, okay? Just get a big spoon and spoon it out. Look at that. Fluffy cobbler. I love a fluffy, biscuity, cakey cobbler. That is my ideal. Look, right there. My favorite part of the cobbler. Yes, the middle. Love it. Go ahead and eat some vanilla ice cream if you're feeling a little naughty. I didn't have any. I was so sad. Normally I do. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will know when I post a new video. Later.